Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to block certain websites on your Google Chrome app. Please make sure to watch this video until the very end so you don't miss out on vital information. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is open up your Google Chrome app, head over to Google and type this in, my.nextdns, and click on go. Click on the first result from my.nextdns.io. And from here, you need to create an account if you haven't. So click on sign up, put in your email and password. Alright, once you've put in your email and created a password, click on sign up. Click on save. Alright, now you come to this page here. From this page, slide across here and click on deny list. This is where you want to put in all the domains that you want to block. So for example, I'm going to put in Yahoo. And then click on go to add it in. And there you go, Yahoo is in my deny list. Okay, once you put in your websites that you want to block, go up the top here and scroll across and click on setup. And on this page here, scroll down here where it says private DNS, and you want to copy this. So once you copied this, you want to head back to your home screen like that. Click into settings. Once you're in your settings app, type in DNS. Private DNS should show up, so click into private DNS, and where it says private DNS, click onto that. Click onto private DNS provider hostname and just get rid of that information there and post in what you copied from the website, and then click on to save, and there you go, your private DNS is connected to that. So now head back over to your Google Chrome app. Alright, so we'll type in Yahoo and it should be blocked. There you go, and that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this tutorial helpful.